To remove the wireless LAN board, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. In some units, you must also remove the fan to access the board. Carefully snap off the antenna or antennas from the board. Detach the Phillips No. 1 screw securing the board in place. The edge of the board will pop up. Pull the board out of its motherboard socket. The wireless LAN board has a notch offset from the center that aligns over a key in its motherboard socket. To replace the wireless LAN board, angle the board into its motherboard socket at a 30-degree angle and press down. Hold it down while replacing the screw. Reattach the antenna connector to the board. If the unit has dual antennas installed with a wireless LAN board with dual antenna ports, the antenna connectors will be labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the board.